If a Mississippi senator has his way, you may no longer have to take a blood test to get married. Ellison Stevenson reports.
It looks beautiful. You're smiling. From the dress to the guest, a lot goes into planning a wedding. Planning your wedding date, be sure to visit your county's circuit court clerk's office for some legal deadlines you wouldn't want to miss. Forrest County Circuit Clerk entails the process of getting a marriage license.
Under present law, you would have to go get a blood test, you and the fiance.
What could a blood test reveal?
Having the background of your family and the background of the person's family that you're going to be with.
This is a misconception that Circuit Clerk Adams say is outdated.
That is an antiquated test because it only tested for syphilis.
Some even question the relevance of having a blood test requirement.
Most couples are already sexually active before they get to the step of marriage.
Aware of these concerns, lawmakers have made changes to the marriage license requirements.
My understanding is you would no longer have to wait the 3 days and you would no longer have to have a blood test.
Are these changes well overdue?
Mississippi and Texas are the last two states to do this. I mean, apparently it's working for everybody else.
I would have to check it out more, but I think I'd be for it.
And I'm not opposed to this. I think we need to update that law.
I'm Allison Stevens for Hub City TV.